Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial we'll be making this 3D number 4 with very easy technique. So if you're new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications of new videos. So let's get started and make our 3D number 4. For this we need cardboard, So once this part is done, we'll be taking some stone and we'll be filling all those heavy stones, and then we'll stick number 4 on that. The reason I'm putting stone inside the 4 so that we can make our numbers stand. And let's make fan flowers. This is also one of my favorite flower technique. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you've learned something new from this video. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.